What is up, everyone? So today I have the simplest of downloads for you, but I think it's something that gets overlooked, and some of us anyway are like, God, I wish I knew how to start from a baseline. Now, let me explain what I mean. Let's say I want to make this shot black and white monochrome, right? There's a bunch of different ways to go about doing it, but one of the classic ways, naturally, is Photoshop's own black and white adjustment layer. Now, you go to that, shot's already in black and white. And if you know about the adjustment layer, then you know that you can change these luminosities of the color ranges and play around and get different looks. And in that regard, it's fantastic. You can use it by itself. You can use it in conjunction with other tools for contrast and everything else. It's an amazing tool. However, I'm going to go ahead and reset it, because some of us have figured out that when you go to it, when you first put one out, when you add an adjustment layer of black and white, you get a result, but people ask, is this the default luminosities? Is it? And the answer is no, it's not. But the good news is we have made a preset for you that's going to have the default luminosities. That is unchanged luminosities. Now, you need to watch our videos about luminosity versus brightness and how do we understand how that works, and et cetera, if you want to dig a little deeper into it. But in general, these settings that the adjustment layer starts with are not default luminosities. They've actually been modified a little bit. Now, what does it look like with the default luminosities? Well, here's our preset, Lum Baseline. I got a couple of copies here because I've just been playing around. You choose it, boom. Now, you might think to yourself, okay, but I can make it work, Nino. I can slide things around so it looks cool. You know what? Absolutely. But every now and then, you want to leave the luminosities alone and modify one color range, right? So you might come here to the blues, and you want it to brighten the blues a little bit, but you didn't want to mess with everything else. So again, Lum Baseline, there it is. Look, off and on, off and on. Now you might think, well, how did you figure that out? Did you just eyeball it? We sort of eyeball it, and we did some back and forth comparing. But on top of that, we also use a color chart to create this. So we know that we're as close as we can get within reason that makes sense and visually basically indistinguishable, because even though these numbers here on the adjustment layer, we can't go into decimal points, we get close enough to where it's perceptually accurate. So this is the Lum Baseline, right? So when you download this file, it's a teeny tiny text file, just like an action. Come here to the top right of your panel, of your adjustment layer, and go to load black and white preset. It'll bring in Lum Baseline, and then you can choose that. And like I said, on an image like this, or any other image that maybe you're simply doing a black and white conversion with some creative ideas. I'm going to play around till something looks rad. That's awesome. You may not need that. Other times you want your luminosity to stay put. So for example, if I reset this, you see how it got a lot less contrast? My luminosity is not being reflected here because my deeper shadows, presumably reds and maybe magentas, are a little bit too bright compared to the actual contrast. So when I go to the default, you can see the contrast comes back and it matches the original image a lot more. So again, not mission critical to make your black and whites quote unquote better every time. That's not how this works, but it's a good start, or rather a brilliant start, when you want to leave your luminosity alone, but adjust either one individual color or a certain range, or simply because you prefer to start with a baseline luminosity. So download that file down below. Like I said, super tiny file, installs immediately into your black and white adjustment layer, and start from a baseline from here on out.